Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about GAMDIAS ATHENA M3 chassis. So friend, GAMDIAS has announced the ATHENA M3 series as one of our most enduring cases line. The ATHENA M3 is fully mesh panel front panel engineering to maximize airflow and enhance cooling efficiency, and our ATHENA M3 series its dedication to integrated advanced cooling technology with precise design, providing a high-performance case that enhances the gaming experience for everyone. So, friend, the Athena M3 series is airflow optimization with fully meshed panel front design, ensuring superior air intake and enhanced thermal performance in the mid-tower case, including for 120 PWM ARGB fans and 3 at the front and 1 at the back, and the 8-port PWM fans ARGB hub and 8-port PWM ARGB fan hub, delivering a stunning visual ARGB display while maintaining excellent cooling efficiency. And the mesh front panel and tempered glass side panel showcase your build beautifully and highlighting the vibrant lightning and impressive internal components. And the Athena M3 series enhance your gaming setup with user-friendly I/O interface featuring a USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port for ultra-fast data transfer up to 10 Gbps and USB 3.0 port, fan LED control, and additionally audio connectivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.